Hey, how's it going? Welcome back. In this episode, we are going to crack this thing open as promised. Without further ado, let's get into it. A couple of little guys back there, popular casting or something. As you can see, I have another one back there. I won that in a white elephant in the family Christmas. My brother-in-law bought it, I think, with the intentions of me getting it. Anyways, here we go. Look at these things. My gosh, they're so much better out of the package. I think I failed to show the back of the box the other video. Talked about the value of this thing and maybe sitting on one sealed or not. I mean, I think the value is in the Silverado up there, so I don't think being sealed is really going to do anything for us. But anyways, here we go. Let's take a look at these things up close and personal, maybe. It's a nice plastic insert there. It's kind of hard to get out. There's the first car, the 82 Toyota Supra, plastic bottom, metal top. The Silver Series has some details on the back there. Pretty nice details, really. And on the front, one headlight is up and one is down. If you grew up in that era, you know that these things were notorious for not doing what they were supposed to. I do have a turntable coming, but it's not here yet. Ordered it off of Amazon. Excited for that to come in. There's an 87 Buick Regal. Very nice car. You can see the shininess in the paint. I believe the Supra also had that. This is a really great set. The way that it got gobbled up on the shelves, I think collectors were aware of that. Hopefully everybody was able to get one that wanted one. I'm thinking that our Target had about 30 of them. All right. You know I'm going to save that big dog for last. Here's the Dodge Viper RT10. I think all these have a plastic base and a metal body. I'm not really sure. It's really nice to see the detail on the bumpers, the front and the back there. Even the Viper logo on there is pretty clean for a 64 scale car. Up next, let's take a look at the 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. This one's nice. Always like the Hot Wheels, or Mattel, put the details, the mufflers and stuff on the bottom and the back as well. There's that one. Next, let's take a look at the Volkswagen Golf Mark II. Of course, these all have the 80th Mattel logo. It's the 80th anniversary of Mattel this year, so... Well, 2025. We are now officially in 2026, so... That's going to be something to remember when you're writing things down. This is probably the second most popular casting in this assortment. The Nissan Skyline GTR R32. Very nice looking car in real life. Also a very nice looking casting. Is a little... Oh, it's GTR. It says GTR right there. I don't know if you can see that. At any rate, this is a great set. Very happy to have picked it up and fortunate to get the second one in the Secret Santa. Well, it wasn't Secret Santa. I guess it was White Elephant. We did White Elephant instead, and I ended up trading whatever. I think my wife ended up with this, actually, and then I traded her for it. This is the BMW M3 Race. The BMW logo there on the back. Another really nice casting. I like the sparkly red paint on these. Look at the details on the front there. Just great for a $3 car. $350. It's about what these comes to. And last but not least, the big dog. The one everybody's been going after. Ooh, little surprise here. Maybe they're all that way? No. All right. Let's check this out. This is an all metal. We've got a metal base and a metal body. And look at those rims. Ooh, this one might be worth a little 60-second showcase. This is nice. I can see why people are clamoring after this one. Look at that. But anyways, here's a couple of other Silverado castings that are a little bit sought after in this day and age. I don't have any of the heavy hitters, but those are a couple of the store exclusive main lines that are now worth quite a lot on the old eBay. But anyways, there's this 80th anniversary set cracked and shown close up. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.